Again, first of all, do the thing around your back. Oh, try again. How do you do? Go around the back and then go in for the dunk. Here comes Landon going for the dunk. And he picks it up and he runs with it.
Yay! 75 with a dunk.
And now he's going to shoot the three-pointer. Can he make it?
Yay! Here, kick it into the net.
Kick it into the net.
Oh, a little high. Try again. That was a good goal. Yeah, you did. Right through the goalpost.
What's the dance?
He's doing it. All right. Yeah. Go, Landon.